Hi friends, in the last video we discussed about some text functions, that is upper, lower and proper, to convert a text into capital letters, small letters and vice versa, and some references, relative reference, absolute reference and mixed references. Today we are going to discuss about when these references are deleted, that is a cell which is referred by another cell or formula in a cell, when it is deleted, what happens, what error message will be displayed, and how can we handle these error messages, or how can we avoid these messages, and we to have a reliable formula. We will discuss it.
Last video we discussed about some text functions. Whenever we use a function, we understood that this function is related to some other cells. Here, suppose when you delete the cell which is related to the function, what happens? So we are going to insert a column here. Right click here, then a context menu appears. Click on insert or press the alphabet I. Then here upper. Then we will copy this by double clicking here. So what happens, this, even though this is the name Anil Kumar here, the formula bar shows the formula is equal to upper A3. That means this A3 is this is A3. That means this function is related to this A3. Suppose we delete this column, knowingly or unknowingly, suppose we delete, because there is no need of two columns contains names. So we delete this. What happens? There comes an error. This is called a reference error. That means the cell referred to this function is no more exist. How can we avoid this error? Okay, there are two options. So I am going to undo this. Press Ctrl Z. Okay, then we can. One option is we can hide this column. That means hover the mouse on column A, heading label, right click. Then you can see that a context menu appears. The hide is there at the just bottom. Then or you can press H. All the commands have an underline, that is that indicates that you press that letter, the command executes. Okay, H. So now there is no problem here. There is no reference error, but it shows column B. That means A is hidden. That is the one option. Okay, we are selecting this. We are unhiding, or we can either select there and unhide. Another option is copy and paste. So we can copy this by selecting and again right clicking and context menu. You can click copy here, or it is very easy to use copy. Control C. So we know that when we select this Anil Kumar, shows the formula bar shows the function. So now we can paste this. Normally pasting is Control C, then for paste Control V. So that is a normal paste. When you do normal pasting, that is Control V, there won't be any change. The reference error will occur when you delete this column. So here another method, we right click on this and there is a paste special. Context menu shows a paste special. Over the mouse here, paste values and paste other paste options. We go to the paste values. On the first icon, when you hover there, it shows values. Click on that. So then here Anil Kumar is shown in the formula bar. That means you can press escape key for this and movement. So now you delete this. Then there won't be any error. So before that, you have to copy this name, then Control C and click here, then enter. Then the name is pasted here. Or you can, that means two type of pasting. When you copy this by Control C and you can paste here by Control V. That is copy here, then Control V. Then also pasting occurs. But this and movement, the selection still remains here. There is a difference between pressing Control V after copying using Control C or clicking enter. There is a slight difference. So this selection occurs. That means when you paste Control V here, we can paste here. we can paste anywhere when this selection still remains. Then suppose we have copied this and click on here, then press enter. There won't be any and movement, that is selection has gone. When you give control V, nothing happens. The slight difference between control C, then control V, and similarly copying using control C, then press enter. When you press enter, the selection goes, that is the selection and the copying gone from the memory. So you can just paste only once when you press enter, or you are going to use control V, then you can paste any number of times. That's a slight difference. Yeah. Okay, so there are two options we have understood. Now we can delete this by right clicking here on the column label, right click here, then you can delete or press D. So there is no error because we already pasted the value. Paste special as paste values. There are some other options also. Suppose we copy this using control C and paste here using control V. Then what happens? The formula is pasted. Actually formula, when you double click, it comes G3. G3 have no value, so it indicates 0. Here the value is E3 and it becomes G3 here because it is the relative reference we discussed in the last video. So we want values. So what happens when we can when we copy this using control C, the selection is this there, that is the and moments. We can paste any number of times. We just told you. So then here we right click here, then there comes a paste special and paste values here. So we click the paste values. You see the difference. Values means only just values, no formatting. That means here 59.3, we adjusted the decimal places using number format we discussed in the last video. Then here it shows the decimal places. So how can you overcome this? That means there is another option. Right click here, paste special, then in the heading paste values, the second one, values and number formatting. Second icon in paste values, there are three options. Second option we click. Then here we got the number formatting 59.3. But the difference is the borderline is not here. Here there is a borderline. There is no borderline. So again we copy, then paste, right click for pasting, then paste values. Third one, values and source formatting. So whatever format here, that will appear here. So the borderline is here. Suppose we have some other format, that is we have given some colors using fill colors by clicking here on the font group. So then we copy, then click using click here, and we are going to paste special, then other paste values, and the last one values and source format. Click here. Then here we can see whatever format is here, that is given to this pasting of cell. Okay, I hope that you understood the methods to avoid reference errors, and also we understood the different type of special pasting, that is paste special. And in paste special there are some options also. We will discuss it later. Now we just discussed the paste values. So values, source formatting, and number formatting is there. Thank you all for watching the video. We will meet again in the next lesson. Thank you very much. Goodbye.